When working with virtual machines, it's always a good idea to have a backup available. This is some kind of good Linux practice. To create a backup of a virtual machine, for example after a clean installation, you use the right mouse button and select Clone. We can provide a name for the clone. For example, I will call this Fedora 38 clean. Including a timestamp in your file name is also a good idea. The path where the clone will be created is also displayed. And then we have the network policy. For the network policy, we will generate new MAC addresses for all network adapters. We go to the next step. And here it is possible to create a full clone where also the hard drive will be copied and cloned, or a linked clone where the original hard drive will be shared. Of course, if you want a backup, we will use a full clone and we finish. Normally this does not take that much time. Of course, it depends on the size of your virtual machines, and it should be completed quite fast. You don't need to keep 10 backups. If you keep one backup, for example, each week, that should be sufficient.